Hello everyone. In this class where we are going to find the product idea that you might be building or you can build using vibe coding. So just open ChatGPT. Our first step will be to open ChatGPT and try to find, and along with the idea then we will just try to find what technology will be better. Even with the vibe code there are programming languages in which we can use, and what is the most suitable development environment. So let's start with some idea. Let's to build an which can get which can be built quickly and bring traffic and revenue fast after going live. Something I can build in 2 to 3 days. What comes so for 2 to 3 days, when can be useful to your brain. Okay, best AI tool wrappers for a single pen. People already start forgetting convert meeting notes, XML, convert meeting transition, convert the YouTube video, Twitter thread, PDF, simple summary for non-expert, PDF, simple summary for non-expert. Yeah, okay. Mix calculator, rank fast and convert well. Freelance get calculator, slash YouTube revenue estimator, app pricing calculator, marketing to get creative for reverse yes, tool and no code tool for founder. Mhm. Okay, so let's mm, go with this. This can be a instant website tool or the people interviewer, experiences by skill, copy feedback, city suggestions, mm, traffic. Okay, yeah, this can be a good idea. So uh, let's make a note here. So step one, go to chatgpt.com and start with finding ideas. So here what we have got. Mm, idea one. We will then go in deep, like further what we can do about this. Okay, so let's just copy. Mm. We will have three ideas, and then we'll be using different tools. There are a lot of tools like Replit, Naveable, then there is GitHub Copilot. So there are a lot of tools, and we will be using all of them to build one app each, and then I will show you which one is going to be best in long term, uh, in quality, cost effective, reliability. Because let's say if you have a lot of users, 10K or 100K, then what will happen? So now next, one page viral tool extremely scalable. How much your app costs to build? Will it need a job? Will it like later? Here we might be needing some few APIs also to check, but we will go deep later on. Landing page, fast monetization, fast Twitter. Okay, now I will I will try to be more specific here. Okay, so let's say mm, maybe something which can pull for. Real, okay. Mm, yeah. ChatGPT is also now like taking a lot of time. Okay. Take home pay calculator by US taxes are people constantly search for state music yeah, that can be a really good idea. Yeah, kind of people checker, medical bills, affordability calculator. AI job offer comparison to code helper, some more options I need, some more options. Credit score, what is example for credit score, terms of fees, current score, excess year, card of minimum accounts, related report. Yes. Mm, so I so it's mostly going in the financial college cost estimate. Yeah, it can be a very good idea. Okay, in college, 2000. Mm, okay. Divorce cost with the appointment consider rent, lodge, job application, auto tracker, some more options, some more options. Mm, let's see. Mm, Traffic ticket cost. People think you have to get into traffic ticket cost. State violation, fine, car repair, student charge uploading, code, etc. Plus, yeah, this, this can be really very, very effective. Yeah, car repair. Let's put it idea to in the next step after getting the idea we'll find like if there is anything available or like what are the competitions like um, but first let's lock on the idea. Two done. Now let's everyone one support warranty coverage. Okay. Yeah, this I have find many times and let's build it. So idea three, idea three, this is idea three. Let's have it in the list and then we will just filter it out after getting our idea. And something about the let's forget about the formatting. AI code US vehicle and people forget election of the extremely urgent charge in my mind. AI stuff encoder appropriate stuff to name change to chargeback refund later generated. Pay attention to no. Okay, let's say we have our three ideas, I guess. So we start with finding. Now we shall go to Google first. Just validate like what we can do. We shall go to Google number one monitoring tool and tool. Yeah, I know there are a lot of tools. SEM Rush, Pixel Sticker, Pixel Leader, there are a lot definitely. You cannot compete with them. Mm, still, they're all paid. They're mostly paid. So, and we just are like to building something, we can definitely build it. Mm. And later on, we can expand it to YouTube videos like what it was YouTube channel and we see something later on, or then maybe your social media profile page. So there are things we can do with this. Mm, okay, instead what it, wow, how we get copied it. Why we got it two times? Idea one, and website interview. Idea two, what was that? What happened in this? I don't know. But let's go to the next step actually. So we stand here. We stand. We have two ideas. Now the next step will be this instant website audit tool. Okay. Now we shall go here and open a new chat. And here we just copy the idea, and ask, give me feature list. Okay. Mm, so the feature list details indirect payment robot contains user technical issue, fun, performance and speed, mobile responsive, security, on-page content, SEO performance. So there are a lot of things that's going to be very big. Mm, and then ask how, what can we do about monetization? Mm, clear practical for premium, limited per day per month, watermark, export indication, fine, okay, paper audit, yeah, white label agency. Mm, okay, we are not going to do agency and API verification. So let's stick to for free, give it um, let's say 3 analysis per month, no PDF fix or watermark PDF export, and let's keep it to Java 5 per month or Java for the year. It's an offer $35 per year for uh, 5 per month. So we shall be using AI. Okay. So there will be AI charges as well. So in 5 per month, we can give around how many, let's say 10 per 10 analysis per one. And let's have another plan. Because people will not be happy. Maybe we can some agency with more than that. So for now next level we can have additional we can do additional analysis. This is we can have it like mm, for additional analysis we can have it like $2 per. Okay. Mm, yeah. Let's do let's do that. So what we are doing, we are just breaking up the requirement, the initial high level requirement that we got into uh, into different parts so that we can the AI can give you like the proper prompt and everything and they understand. So pre-plan based for discovery 3 limited non-scale, BTS no quality support, into watermark, okay, so okay fine. Now give me the final feature checklist. Keep it simple so that it can be built quickly. So now we getting the final checklist. Your input, basic code, code, computer, performance, technical, security, reporting, and add-ons. Okay, mm, uh, yeah, we need admin right now. Post not equal. Mm, okay, now so here I saw one thing that okay now what said to so now here it comes to we have logged it this idea okay this idea and we name it now first let's find the name suggest means some means which domain which available okay we need to find the domain of site check where what it which key um, we are not spending much time in finding the domain just go and locate something quickly. Mm, so it is available. So this was earlier a very good tool, but nowadays domain.com page. Let's see about it. Mm, exact match. It seems we have available, so let's lock it. Where body to true. Whatever. Okay. So name finalized to now what will happen? It will give you everything with this references, you know. And also here in our chat we rename it because later on after development or anything we will need it for our further training sessions. Okay. Now now uh, So we have like many programming languages. So let's say I will just uh, so in terms of programming, we have options PHP, Node, Python. Okay, and in terms of DB, we have MySQL, SQLite, um, Postgre, there is MongoDB. Okay, and that's also options. Uh, language and DB options. There are many other also. It's not that only these, but these are what we will have it. And for this one, mm, for this one, we will be choosing PHP and Mongo, sorry, uh, Post, or let's say no, Postgre. Your SQLite is like for very simple database heavy apps. Okay, MySQL, Postgre, MongoDB, we can use it anytime. And now Python, Node, and PHP. So PHP is widely used, and Node and Python is like for very mm, high usage or you need a lot of mm, thinking or anything. This kind of apps you can use. But in this case, we will be using PHP and Postgre. And now PHP, there is the language. Now we have a framework. Okay, in PHP there is a framework language, which is right now structured and most people use it. So we are going to use PHP language and this. Now here, the user who will be signing up to the app, we need to verify their email ID. Okay, we need to verify. Otherwise, people can give you. So for for that, verifying email ID or let's say sending OTP and all, uh, we can use this Devo platform, which goes very well with this. So we will have email and username and password, and it need to be verified using Vivo API. So let's type me that. Yes, got it. Mm, I will bring something. Let it come. So in this session we are going to lock down. We will get what we will get. We will get our like prompt which we will go and enter into the tools and start building. Okay, so this is like now we are at a very important point of this session. You need to like focus a lot to understand what I'm doing. Now also ask what are the API will be needed for this app. So we need to know what we are going to have. Mm, email OTP, the email OTP, let's say link login. We are not okay, no external API needed. Okay, okay, okay. And the PDF can be done internally. Stripe, we need Stripe for payment, definitely. Necessary cooking, nothing needed. Use, use for future scale Google API might need. Okay, API with OpenAI and Cloud for AI. Yeah, we can have some AI into this. Otherwise, everyone is offering something like so let's email, UPI, code, voter results. Okay. Now we shall also give E, 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 G, PHP, Laravel, and Postgre SQL. So okay, this is ready. And always when you're giving the in our scenario, whenever you are trying to give a next prompt, just wait for what is going on to finish. Okay. Mm, sorry. Now see there and try try used and delete your page. So mm, and okay, let's wait. Don't okay. So now this $2 one-time payment that we have for the extra. So let's have a wallet system from where single analysis payment can be deducted and user will fund wallet in advance. If no balance in wallet, then ask to add. Okay. Hmm. Now we got it a much better version. Yeah. So what they are doing, they are giving the like in the database how we will be stored. I will not go very deep into technical because we don't need anything to know about the technical thing. That is the objective of the class and by coding it. So we will keep it to as less as that can be for the technical part. So just forget about that what we are getting here and wait for the prompt to finish. Now I mean so give me final prompt. So add a final prompt to use in Copilot and Skool. So we also write GitHub Copilot and Skool. So because that is a platform we will be using initially, and later on I will show you how to do it in Replit or Laravel, etc. But this GitHub Copilot and VS Code will be what we will be using for most of our apps. Because what happens with Replit and Laravel is uh, they have some problems with them, and I'm not going deep into that. What are the problems and all? Uh, but this will be our app because here we will have full control and it will be developed as independently. Like we are not dependent on uh, any platform. Okay, we will have full control over our code, database, and everything. So now here comes the final prompt. Let's see. And please do let me know how you like this. Going forward, if any improvement I have to make, I'll definitely do it. And in my welcome to my community. And also, as you know, I will be having per day 1 hour free consultation to our community members. It will be on first come first serve basis. And please book prior. Like give me 2 days in advance. Like if today is Wednesday and you want to have it tomorrow, that will be not possible. But if you like if it's Wednesday, then just book for Saturday, something like that. But yeah, I'm working mostly Monday to Friday, like everyone else. Okay, so here comes the computer senior level engineer and engineer tool slide demo OpenAI production ready requirement. So this is the like sign up and all plan. What is the plan we having? Wallet system has analysis flow, user submit phase. Hmm. So they have actually given the API. Let's say later on will be also using the OpenAI API. So when we going to build this app, that will be a lot of fun. Generate video, create, and in our next session that I am just going to we will be setting up the platform, uh, setting up GitHub and connecting it with VS Code, and then we'll be having multiple models. Um, like there is ChatGPT 5, 5.2 is coming, and then we have Cloudy, then we have Grok, and so we will be having all the models, and I will tell you which model will go where with this coding. So this is the like final prompt we have got. Okay, so I'll just copy it and we'll make it another talk. Um, I'll just save it for the future references, and we, we do have a name. Hmm. Okay, and if mm, what will the name? Mm, ideas finder. Oh, okay. Mm, so now we have our ideas, and so I will be ending this session here, and I will definitely love your feedback. Any questions, anything, just DM me. I'm just a call away. Okay. Mm, thank you, and have a nice day. And let's build something meaningful together. Okay. Bye bye.